done, guys. We're done here. No leaves. So what I normally like to do is I run over the leaves a couple of times before I pick it up with the grass catcher. I've been doing it for a while. It works for me, and I'm sure it would work for anybody. So that's the way I do it. That's the way I've been doing it for a while now. So that's it here, guys. We're gonna be going to the next one. We're done, guys. We're done here. We did that house and the one behind us. And right now we are headed to do a pressure washing job. So it's gonna be fun. It's cold, and we gotta do a pressure washing job. So I might record that, guys. Might not. I don't know. We'll see. We're done in our second one, guys. It's not. It was not a whole lot of leaves. And back here in the backyard, I mulched the leaves. We didn't have to pick up much besides the front yard, but that was it. Like I said on my other yard, guys, we don't try to mulch every single leaf because obviously it's impossible. So we just finished this one. Looks really nice. Nice. We're gonna continue doing what we do, guys. I think we have like 5 more, maybe, if possible. Probably more, I'm not sure. But here we are doing what we do. We're here, guys. We're doing today the bank and the post office. The post office is one of my newest accounts here. Actually, this is the first time I'm gonna serve them. So what we're doing right now is I'm gonna blow all the leaves into the grass so I can pick them up with the grass catcher. If you look over there, guys, it's a mess. A mess. There's a lot of leaves all over. So this is one of my newest accounts too. At least it's not cold anymore. We're here, guys. This was my first property. My dad is on the other side. This brings me a lot of memories because this is where everything started. Every time I come here, I think about 3 years or 4 back when I first started, guys. And this is one of my greatest customers, one of my best customers out of everyone. It's just, we have a good friendship. And this is a year-round customer. I come up here twice a month, every 2 weeks for all year, guys. Like during the dead time when there's no leaves or grass, we do different things for him, like pick up all the big limbs and carry it somewhere for him, guys. We're always doing something for this guy. So I just want to show you real quick, guys. This is the property. Last time we were here, it was a lot of leaves. But this time there's not much leaves, so we're just gonna finish mulch everything else, whatever is left here, guys. And I'm not gonna record it here. Like I said, on the last yard we did at the church, I mulch all the leaves first before I pick it up. That way won't have to be a whole lot of leaves. But just want to show you right quick, guys. And we're finishing this one, guys. This is the one with the pretty backyard. Last time we came up here, we was asked to pile all this pine straw here on this side. Obviously she's gonna use it on something. Don't know what it is, but we're here. We're just finishing this one. We got one more in this area, and then we're gonna be headed back home to finish some more there. So just want to show you right quick, guys.